fractures fixed in minutes. Chinese scientists develop a bone glue that heals broken bones in just 3 minutes.
Inspired by oysters' amazing ability to cling underwater, even in rough conditions.
Dr. Lin Xianfeng and his team at Sir Run Run Shaw Hospital in Zhejiang Province spent years developing this glue. This adhesive, called Bone-02, can bond shattered bone fragments together quickly, even in very wet, blood-rich environments.
In real surgeries, surgeons inject Bone-02 via a tiny 2 to 3 centimeter incision. Within just 2 to 3 minutes, the glue secures the bone fragments precisely.
It's not weak hemp. Lab tests show a bonding force over 400 pounds. It has a shear strength around 0.5 ppa and compressive strength about 10 ppa, comparable to metal implants.
What else more applies? Over 150 patients have already been treated in early clinical trials.
Unlike steel plates or screws, Bone-02 is bioabsorbable. It dissolves naturally as your bone heals. Over around 6 months, the glue breaks down, leaving just your natural bone behind.
That means no second surgery to remove implants, reducing risk and cost.
Experts predict it could even be useful in emergencies or on the battlefield, where speed matters most.
Shorter surgeries, less infection risk, Milad. It could be a total game changer in orthopedics.
Future possibilities? Dental surgery, joint repair, even more applications ahead.
So far, no major safety concerns have emerged in patients, but it's shown solid biocompatibility.
It's innovation that's both scientific and deeply human. Healing in minutes, recovery in months.
If you found this breakthrough as mind-blowing as I did,
make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the Gray Matter Files and Lies. For more such stories, don't forget to hit that notification bell.
Thanks for watching. Stay curious, stay questioning.